Welcome to you all, voices of Sultanpur. Today I am going to teach about to you alternating current. What do you mean by alternating current? Okay. Now start. Alternating current. As you know that about to electric current, the rate of flow of charge in any conductor is called to current. Definition: electric current. What is the definition of electric current? You know that the rate of flow of electric charge in any conductor is called electric current. As you know that there are two types of electric current. First is direct current, and second is alternating current. Alternating current. You know that direct current is generated by potential difference between any two plates. If you create potential difference between any two plates, which one plate contain positive charge and second plate contain negative charge, and if you connect a wire between plates, then due to the discharging these charges, it is creating a current in this circuit from positive to negative plate of any cell in the outer circuit of the cell. Okay, so that we called this current is direct current. Direct current. So you can say that direct current always creating by potential difference between any two points, and the graph of DC will be pure graph. What is the pure graph or specific graph of DC? Then the specific graph of DC, let that x-axis is indicate to the time, and this is origin point, and y-axis indicated to the value of electric current. Value of current. So that this, okay, let that graph AB is a straight line which is parallel to the timeline. It means according to time or respect to time, it is not any variation in the current. At this point current is same, this point, means the graph of current is not going on upward direction, is not going on downward direction. It means AB line indicate to the fixed current in the circuit respect to time. Means respect to time, the value of this current is not variable or is not varying order. So you can say AB graph indicate to the a pure DC current. This is a pure DC, means pure DC or pure direct current. But in ordinary life, this type graph we cannot obtain due to few obstruction of electronics. So the graph of DC current we will obtain to this base, to this base. What is the base? Let that this is timeline and this is current line. Okay, and this is IC. So that if we creating the graph of direct current in real way, so we will obtain this type graph, this type graph. So this, and this direction will be positive, 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 positive. If you look carefully, then you will get that the direction of this graph is not changing order. The direction of this graph is not changing order. Why? Because this type graph we will obtain in the horizontal plane. This graph indicate to the horizontal plane graph. Why? Horizontal plane graph, let that this is the x-axis of horizontal plane and this is the y-axis of vertical plane. So this graph indicate is a type of graph which is drawn in horizontal plane. Horizontal plane. Horizontal plane graph. So that this graph indicate the amplitude or magnitude of this graph is variable, but direction is not variable. Direction is not variable, so that you can say this is indicate to a type of current which is called to direct current. Direct current. This is the real graph of direct current, but not pure DC current. This current is not pure DC. Why? Because pure DC current has a rectilinear graph between current and time. But this type DC graph is very typical in ordinary life. The real graph of direct current becomes this type graph. This type graph indicates the direction of current is constant, but the magnitude of current is variable, so that this graph is indicate a direct current. In this chapter, we will discuss about alternating current. So, what do you mean by alternating current? Next point, yes. Okay. Now, about alternating current. Alternating current. Alter means moving with a fixed gapping. Moving with a fixed gapping, then the moving with a fixed gapping is called to the alternating movement. Let that alternating current. What do you mean by alternating current? Alternating current is a current which direction and magnitude becoming and changing order respect to time. It means as well as time becomes in changing order, so well the value and direction of current becomes in changing order. So you can say alternating current is a current which direction and magnitude becoming in changing order respect to time. You can say in other language alternating voltage or alternating current are the periodic function of time. In other sentence you can say, in short sentence you can say the alternating current or voltage, not only current, or voltage or periodic function of time. So if anybody put up to a question, what do you mean by alternating current or alternating voltage, then you will reply that in short form the alternating current or alternating voltage are periodic function of time. This sentence is compressed form of this large sentence. So this sentence converted in the compressed form of this definition, alternating current or voltage are periodic function of the time. Next question. After this topic, it is creating a beautiful topic. What topic? What is the generation or what is the production of alternating current? What is the region of generation of alternating current? So you know that the production of direct current is the potential difference between any 2 points, but the reason of production of alternating current is if we rotate any rectangular coil in a uniform magnetic field, then according to the rule of Faraday in 1831, if any coil rotating in the uniform magnetic field with a constant angular velocity, then due to the change of magnetic flux, it is creating a electromagnetic induction in the coil, means equal to minus d phi b equal to dt. So that okay, thank you so much. Next video.